everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. When it comes to makeup, filling out your eyebrows is one of the most important steps. It is something that can actually make or break your look. Now you can see that I have a full face of makeup on, but not the eyebrows. And though it is not looking all that bad, but once I do fill out and shape up my eyebrows, it takes my look to another level. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve perfectly shaped brows and what kind of products you should use to achieve them. For today's tutorial, I will be using products from Lakmé's eyebrow range. They have an extensive range of eyebrow products and there's something for everyone. I will give you a demo of all these products. I will show you swatches as well so that it's easy for you to decide which one to go for. Now without further ado, let's begin. So what I've got here is 3 different products and each product is built as per individual needs. The first one is Lakmé Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. This is actually one of my most used brow perfectors from this range. It has a really fine tip. So if you've got scanty eyebrows or really sparse eyebrows, it's very easy to create hair-like strokes with this particular product. I'll show you the swatches for it. The top shade is charcoal and the bottom shade is coffee. The second product that I've got here is Lakmé Absolute 3D Brow Definer. This also comes with a spoolie just like the Micro Brow Perfector, and this is an eyebrow pencil. Since this is a pencil, the tip of this product is not as fine as the Micro Brow Perfector, but this is a really good product to draw out a shape, like a proper shape of your eyebrows. And if you don't really need to create hair-like strokes on your eyebrows, then you can easily use this one. Now let me show you the swatches of this product. The top shade is called Graphite and the bottom shade is called Espresso. And the last product that we have here is Lakmé Absolute Precision Eyebrow Artist. And this product is thick and it has a slanted tip. This product is perfect for those people who are always on the go and who do not get a lot of time to shape up and fill up their eyebrows. All you need to do is run this product through your eyebrows to fill them out for a fuller look. Alright, now we've come to the bit where I'm going to show you a demo of each and every product so that you can understand how they work. I'm going to start off with Lakmé Absolute 3D Brow Definer in the shade Espresso. First, I'm going to brush my eyebrows down with a spoolie which is attached to the pencil. This step gives you a fair idea of what kind of shape you should create as per your own natural eyebrow shape. Now, with the help of this pencil, I'm going to create this upper shape. This pencil is quite pigmented, so it's always better that you use a light hand while you're doing this. After creating this upper shape, I'm going to brush my eyebrows upwards. After brushing the eyebrows up, I'm going to follow the natural shape of my eyebrows and just create a very light line on the bottom part. Alright, now once we have this in place, we're going to switch products. Next, I'm going to take Lakmé's Micro Brow Perfector, and with this product, just on this particular area, like the beginning of my eyebrows, I'm going to create very tiny hair-like strokes. Again, I'm not putting a lot of pressure because the product is pigmented. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. Alright, so my eyebrow is looking like this at this point of time. We have not yet filled the eyebrows, and for that we're going to switch the product. I'm going to take Lakmé Precision Eyebrow Artist in the shade Dark Brown, and this I will use to fill up this middle area. Now whenever you're using this product or any eyebrow filler, don't take that product all the way till here, like basically where your eyebrow starts, right? Leave that area as it is. It is supposed to be lighter. If you fill product there as well, then your eyebrows can become really dark and that won't look nice. I'm just going to start filling all the gaps that I have between my eyebrows. That's it actually. I'm not going to do anything more to my eyebrows. Just as a last and final step, I'm going to take a spoolie again and brush them one more time upwards. And that's it. There you have it. Perfectly filled out eyebrow. Alright, so I'm done filling out both my eyebrows and this is how they are looking. The colors of these pencils are so natural that they don't stand out or look odd. For my skin tone, I actually picked out all the shades which had hints of brown and you can see how natural it looks on my skin tone. Now coming to Lakmé's eyebrow range, I have been a consistent user of Lakmé eyebrow enhancers and the quality of these products is really good. They are budget friendly, they are pigmented, they are so easy to use and you won't have to struggle at all with these products. The hardness of the product is also perfect, which is a very important thing when it comes to choosing an eyebrow product. If it's too soft, then a lot of pigment can come on your eyebrow in one go. And if it's too hard, then you'll have to really poke the pencil to get some pigmentation out. These products have the perfect pigment and the perfect hardness to create a really nice natural look. You can definitely consider getting any of these as per your own requirement. This range is really good. And that's it. With that, we've come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you're not following me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting makeup related content on my Instagram handle as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels, then please check out our channels as well, guys. We've got 3 channels. This one, there's a vlogging channel where we make daily vlogs and there is a Bengali channel. The links of my Instagram handle and of our channels will be in the pinned comment of the comment section below, so don't forget to check it out. And that's it. Take care and stay safe. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.